Are we live? We're live. Let's go. Let's go, everybody. Bitcoin at all-time highs off the back of the ending of the U.S. election. A lot of you went out to vote, it seems. Trump winning the popular vote, winning the election. Congrats to everybody. Bitcoin seemingly celebrating here yesterday, climbing to new all-time highs. Now, I'm going to say flagging out. Do we have higher highs coming? I think so. We got the robe on. Buy request. Please don't blame the robe. If price goes down, please don't blame the robe. It's not the robe's fault. Let's see. It seems like everyone is still sleeping a little bit. I understand that the last few weeks have been exhausting, and paying attention to the Bitcoin chart has been doubly so. It has been 270 days since the last all-time high. Let that sink in. Hype has all but disappeared. Even now, off the back of this exhaustion, man, holy crap, I'm just glad it's over. It doesn't seem like the hype is back. We've got some people hyped in the chat, like Mr. Days, Kato, Ulrich, Neil, Shringtech, Caffeinated Crypto, Daniel. We got some people hyped up. Real Housewives of Crypto, I know you're hyped up. I'm hyped up. But it seems like retail's still sleeping, or at least still asleep today. We've been speculating that it's going to take over 100,000 on the BTC price for retail to really come in, really notice, and get back in, jump back in, start FOMOing. And it seems as if that is exactly what's happening. I was looking across Twitter, across YouTube, as I usually do, and views very normal. About the same number of viewers, about the same views on videos for crypto content today versus really just the last few months. And to me, that is maybe the most bullish sign that I could have expected. If we had 3,000 live viewers right now, we probably would be looking for some more downside. Typically, when the hype is feverish levels, we see Bitcoin retrace. Like I say, it's very shy. It's not so shy right now. 74,000. My brain's still stuck in the 40, 50, 60s. 74,800 on Coinbase. Right in front of our eyes, we have a green candle. We have a beautiful, I'll say beautiful wick up to 75.8 only on Coinbase. If we look at Binance, we won't find that wick. Perhaps a sign of what's to come. I think so. We're going to do our analysis as we always do. You're hyped, Bullish Mike. Let's go. Let's go, Bullish Mike. Let me put on a fan favorite. Shout out to Dallin-san for rejoining us. Requested this song for this stream. Let me know if the volume's too low, too high. Put on some of the classic pumpy songs. Where was I? Oh, gold, everything, especially robes. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. That's a little loud. There we go. There we go. Where was I? Exhaustion, bullishness. You guys are bullish. I'm bullish. Before we jump into the top down, look at all these bullish people. Bullish Mike is bullish. I missed the pump yesterday. Yeah, I was like sleeping, guys. We got a lot of people in the chat. If you could, where are we going next? I want to know what you think. Are we going to 80K? Because we're going to get a retracement at some point. We going 80K? We going 90K? We going 100K? Or is the top in for this move already? That's the unfavored choice. You have 200 votes. We're just starting up. We're 8 minutes into the broadcast. Not even. What I need from you guys, hype it up. Smash those likes, subscribe, put a message in chat. Today is going to be a spicy one. Pop in the Discord. Let's do everything we can. Everything we can. What's up, Kelly Kellum? You're celebrating today. Bulls unite, baby. 2025 going to be epic. I agree. I think the end of this year is going to be epic. Time will tell. Time will definitely tell. Good to see you, my friend. Jess is here. Donato's here. Top 10. You expect 76K max. Then dump. Oh, keep telling me. Keep bring it to me, guys. Where is big? Tell me Bitcoin is dumping. I want to know. I want as many people as possible to say Bitcoin, it's done. It's over. It's not going up more. This is going to fail. Repeat after me. This rally is going to fail like all the others. Get it. Get it. I want to hear it. I want to hear it from everybody. Let's zoom out here. Wrong chart. Let's zoom out here. Let's take a peek. This is still not it? How is this not the right one? How many Bitcoin charts do I have, guys? Way too many. Maybe it's the week after go to. All right, we'll go to the week. I swear I was just looking at this chart. Now it's disappeared. There it is. I found it. Bitcoin hiding its charts from me. Going back to our very simple breakdown, our very easy understanding of this chart. Since August, we have put in a lower low. That was the lowest point. While I will come clean, even though I never hid this, come clean, absolutely thought we would be at this point earlier. I did not think it would take this long to get to a new all-time high. We have been saying since August on this channel that the low is in for this range. That's still my opinion, and obviously that's playing out right now as the all-time high, kind of confirming that here. We hit lower highs into higher highs into September, the first higher high into a lower high in August, continued up. We began uptrending roughly about here, late September. We began a classic uptrend of higher highs and higher lows, and here we are finally at an all-time high. While we never can know what will happen next, let's just use our Fib tool. We apply this with no bias. We apply this to every chart we look at that breaks all-time high, and we've had a pretty good, pretty consistent measure of how price will move in price discovery. And mind you, we are in price discovery. And while we're here, there is very little resistance to the upside. There is just profit taking. There is no literal resistance. We do have some new dynamics at play. You can consider the recent election results part of those dynamics. We'll see what Trump does with crypto. We got to hold him to those crypto promises. New dynamics in play as well as ETFs. We've got a lot of stuff going on that might make this a little bit different than before. However, let's just use the Fib tool. Our 1618 sits just under 100K. I think that is the perfect target. The perfect target, provided we don't have the FOMC tomorrow. By the way, it is not today. I know. It's terrible. I leave for Dubai at 6 in the morning tomorrow, and Chirpao decided to rug us and move the FOMC to Thursday. I won't be able to cover it. I can't even say anymore. It makes me very sad. 95,000, a great upside target. If we look back at the previous, oh wait, no, that's our local. This is our local moves. This is just from March to August. 95, great target. 111, great target as well. I think this would be the target if we see retail enter. They see 100K, they mortgage their house, they take out loans, they see 111, they think they made the right choice, and we trickle on back down, right? Remember, even in a bull run, we're going to have times where price does not just go up. We saw this in 2021, into the start of the year. If we follow the same path as last year, which we seemingly are, we may see a high into the first quarter of next year, followed by a little bit of cooling off period before it's like a blow off top maybe in Q4, maybe a summer of boring again. That would be very on par. So far, we have followed last year so closely, or the last cycle so closely. It's wild. It's almost unbelievable. 94, 95, 100K, I think is exactly where I'm going to be looking, provided we continue up here. Provided tomorrow, unfortunately, could have some effects. We've seen FOMCs be very volatile. We've seen them kind of go against logic. We've seen bullish things on FOMCs not really have an immediate bullish response. That's what we've known, or what we've come to know here. If you were in the Discord last night, as price rallied to 71.2, I posted this, just drawing. Bula. Played out pretty well. Retesting 71.2, we've blasted through it. This is wild. This is a wild move here. My only concern into today, especially with the FOMC tomorrow, we seem to be stuck just underneath this little trend line here. I'm going to turn this red for you. While I don't think this is the end of the run or something, it does maybe give us reason to kind of pause, to maybe not open huge leverage positions. My long's still cooking. I'll show you that in a little bit, guys. Still cooking. Little pause. We have had a pullback from that high. It looks like 72.6. We're back up near our range highs here again. Man, things are looking good. Let's do our top-down analysis really quick. But before I do that, because it's such a special, hypey day, and I honestly I just want to have low time frames up, and I just want to watch the candles because it's been a while. I want to see you guys. I want to know who's here. I see Kai. How you doing, Kai? I will see Kai in Dubai probably tomorrow. Let's go. David Brum, how you doing? Kelly Kellum's still here. I'll have to check out what you're saying, man. I'm in the zone right now. Dallin Son's here. Matthew Schmiedy's here. Durand, Dubai trip. I know, just in time. I'm leaving just in time to let the corn run. And you guys know, every time I leave, I like regret it. I'm like, no, this is all the spice. If you're in chat today, I want you to put a message. If you're sitting here enjoying the spice, put a message in the live chat. Let me know. If you're here getting liquidated because you're a bear, I'm really sorry to hear that. Guys, I'm not always right in my predictions. We've been hitting. Lately, we've been hitting. But I'm not always right. However, the bears are always wrong eventually. Ha! That's a little dig. A little dig at them birds. What's up, Nick Melrose? Subscribe during the live. Good to see you, my friend. Keep smashing those buttons. The more people who subscribe while we're live, the more YouTube will show this stream out. So let's see who's here. I see CJ, Crimson, Crypto Arrow, Dale Russell, Dallin, Dan Crypto. I'm like hyped, I can't even speak. Daniel Lehman, David Brum, Diego Rodriguez, Ardas Pretoris. What's up, my friend? GOU. I see you, man. Harksy, or HarX2Y. I am Jess. Jess, you're here. Say something bearish, Jess, please. Jess has been saying bearish stuff, and Bitcoin has just been going up. So I demand more bearish from Jess. Do not flip bullish. Don't do it. Don't curse us, Jess. I see. I need my BTC. Ivan Tkachev. Durand. What's up, Durand? Foxy Thorny, of course, here in the beginning. Good to see you. Justin Machek. Jois. Kai. Kato Ino. Kelly L. Chris Pax. Celebrating Dogecoin. And you better believe we're going to be looking at Dogecoin here in a minute. We've been pretty bullish on it for a while. It had me faked out a few months ago. It's been pretty bullish recently, and that's up next. Line in my pocket. How you doing, bro? Happy all-time high. Matt Winans, Matthew Schmid, Moggy, Maurice, Max, Tokyo, Mike, Monkey. Oh, Monkey. Monkey. Nate Bender. What's up, Nate? Nefreet006, Nillis Mersman. Memes. How you doing? Novocaine, oh no, Y2K, Philippe, Gerald, Robert Nitz, RS Miller, R Toro, Salim R, Shrink Tech, your bag, baby. Pickle, cheers to Pickle, my right hand man, putting in the hard work. Cheers to you. Tillin McPooch, Top 10, Trade Intuition, another YouTuber here. Ulrich White, Web Dev Newbie, Melissa. How you doing, Melissa? Who else is here? Free Will loading name. What's up, boys? Coden. I see you. What up, boys? Where are we going? Where are we heading? Why did I accidentally pin Let's Go Randy Greer? Have you guys noticed that? I didn't even notice. Rip. Randy Greer. I guess we're celebrating you, Randy. I'm going to put the Discord. Let's pin that. That's what I meant to pin. Whoops. Bitcoin moving up here, touching 75,000, and we haven't even gotten to the top-down analysis yet. Bitcoin breaking out of a 4-year head and shoulders. Could be head and shoulders. Could be a cup and handle. Really, there's many, I think, applicable patterns that we can look at. Let's zoom it out. Let's get some perspective. Imagine being bearish throughout this entire candle. Now Bitcoin up 77% on the year, touching 75,000 right now in real time. Can you imagine? Can you imagine being bearish? Silly. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. This has been a ride. This has been a ride. Quarterly, trading high above our 71.2 target that took forever. Let's go. Currently at the highest point, obviously, in Bitcoin's prices ever. Interesting thought. Everyone who has ever bought Bitcoin is now in profit. And people say Bitcoin, oh, it's too slow, it's too risky. Every single buy is now in profit. Let's get it. September into October, 59K. We nailed that long. October closed down after trading back to the all-time high. We have a little bit of retracement here in this month of November, but now pushing back up. We have 24 days to go. We had a very spicy signal here. Who remembers looking at this? I think it was Monday? Monday, might have been Friday. Monthly Marketcipher B, green dot crossing up of momentum. That is not a sign we get often. In fact, the last time this happened, similarly to every other signal that we've looked at over the last few weeks or months, October of last year, man. It feels too easy, but it hasn't been easy. This has been rough. This has been extremely, extremely rough. RSI still giving us plenty of upside potential. Fuel in the tank here. Not even overbought. What's up, Love Jeet? LFG. Put it. Can I get an LFG in chat? I put it in chat. Can I get an LFG in chat? Every single one of you. I want 100, 200, 300. We got 500 viewers. I need all of the LFGs. Let's go, LFG it. LFG. Beautiful. Beautiful times, guys. There it is. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Beautiful. Beautiful. Zero. Thank you, Jess. While you're LFGing, click some of these bad boys. Let's get more people on this stream. Let's engage. I don't know why. See, guys, look. We don't always, like, censor you. YouTube just randomly holds stuff. Like, Salim's LFG. That one was held. I don't know. Put some of these placebo buttons. LFG Hendrick. LFG Luke. Dave Frost. Mitch. Let's go, boys. Sunny Vasti. What's up, my friend? LFG. Rakula. What's up, bro? LFG. A happy LFG to all of you. I think I'm going to replace GM with LFG. Let's go down to the week. Dude, it's wild, though. Every single thing that we've looked at happened last October. Then it happened again this October, a year later. It's freaking weird. It's weird, guys. I don't know how to feel about it. Weekly cross up. Who doubted the weekly cross up? Be honest. October 14th, we got the cross up on the week. Lots of people doubted it. You can raise your hand. See, that's the thing. You raise your hand, nobody will know. You don't have to like worry about people making fun of you. Got the cross up on the week, the strongest bullish weekly signal that the Ichimoku cloud is possible to even create. We went back and we looked last time, October 23. It's bonkers, dude. How is it exactly a year later? We're getting all, it just, my mind is still trying to figure this out. Let's put it that way. RSI on the week, same as the month. Plenty of fuel in the tank here. Wherever this rally takes us, I'm going to be watching as RSI hits 70, hits overbought on the week. Rejecting from there would not be such a great thing, but we have plenty of room. Currently at like 64. I don't even know where that could take us. Weekly looking beautiful here. Money flow just breaking. Oh, just breaking its previous high in March. That is a strong, beautiful uptrend. I think we got more up to go, guys. Let's be real. Honestly, I think we got more uppies. 20 weekly sitting all the way down at 63.4, still untapped. That was where we were looking if we had a sell-off. We haven't gotten a sell-off yet. Nothing's off the table, but I don't know if we're going back down there now, guys. I don't know if I feel it. On the day, we had our golden cross. That golden cross did not inversely play out. We rallied back to the all-time high. The last time we had a golden cross on the day, you guessed it. Let me get rid of these others so you're not visually assaulted by all these colors. There we go. Last time we had the golden cross on the day, you guessed it, October 23. I don't know, man. All the cards seem to be coming down. Planets are aligning. I don't know. Everything. Even the sentiment's kind of similar. We had 100, 200 days sideways. Then we blasted off. We had very, I'll say, crappy sentiment. People very bearish here. People very bearish back in September and October. The bears were getting an edge in on us. They were digging in. They're like, hey, you're under the 200 day. Hasn't moved in a while. Bulls are wrecked. Now who's wearing the robe, bears? Now who's wearing the robe? There we go, boys. 50 days creeping up with price, but not quite where I'm even looking at the moment. RSI, all right, we identified, I want to say on Monday, potential bullish divergence on the day. That has played out. Something we need to be aware of, though. We have not broken a high on RSI for the day. So if the rally does stop here, if we see the momentum potentially leave tomorrow, post FOMC or during FOMC, the 14% of us that say the top's in for this move are likely right. We'll likely see bear div paint there if we don't push higher, we don't close RSI higher. So something on our radar. Not what I'm predicting, but it's something on our radar here. On the day, money flow. Wow, this could not look better, man. Combine this with the week, this could not look better. Money flow blasting off. Momentum catching above the zero line. VWAP up. All these time frames are looking good. What happens today and tomorrow? I'd say the next 48 hours is going to be very important. Bulls have to hold the ground. We have to continue to push higher. We need to push those oscillators up. We got to get them heated up. And then we can look very good. High above the TKKJ on daily Ichi, not a lot going on there. Daily blasting off from that middle band, pushing the bands up. Where would we look for a close here? Where are we at the top band? 73,250, 73,270. Close above the top band. Keep pulling up. Keep pushing up. Move higher. Look higher. I like it. Let me go down. We're going to make these quicker because I want to get into some other stuff. And honestly, I just want to celebrate with you guys. 12-hour potentially giving us that same bearish divergence. Potentially. RSI still underneath the high from the 30th of October. However, man, our oscillators are looking very healthy. They're looking very healthy. Let's see, like a 8-hour maybe. 8-hour, same thing. Almost every time frame we're seeing that. To me, I interpret that as we need to simply push higher. RSI needs to be escorted to higher numbers, and that will come with higher price. I think it's happening. I think it's happening. The timing is right. Everyone's saying, oh, the 4-year cycle or whatever. Like, you know, it's different this time. It's looking really damn similar. Looking incredibly similar. It always is. Something cool here on low time frames that I notice. Since breaking that all-time high 18 hours ago, we have come back and tested that previous high in October. Finding support potentially here. We haven't seen a move that would really compel me to say, okay, confirm support, let's go. But, man, that's not a bad way to go. We haven't seen a big top wick. We haven't seen a big sell-off. 4 hours are a little sketchy here. A little sketchy. Failed the bullish engulf. That's all right for now. Down to the 4 hour, you get the same thing. Potentially lower highs on RSI. We either need a bigger push up or we're going to potentially be looking to flush out some of those late longs. That's how I'm going to read that. 2 hour. Ooh, 2 hours looking very nice, dude. 2 hour just rolling over now on the money flow. What about the hour? We're almost done. Keep the hype moving. A little bit higher, and that uptrend is still confirmed, still painting, still printing on the hour. 45-minute beating it. Beautiful uptrend here. Beautiful, beautiful, suggesting higher highs to come. Oh yeah, I like what I'm seeing. I like it. Let's use our fib tool here. I know I had it placed, but we'll place it again just for this local move. We have broken the high, and so we logically do look for these extensions. 77.1. 78.2. Not bad short-term targets. I think either of these, honestly, definitely 78.1, maybe 77.1. Either of these likely to kind of fix that RSI problem that I was just detailing, just saying. Not quite high enough on bigger time frames like the day 12-hour, well, medium time frames. Day 12-hour, 6-hour. Not quite. But things are looking good. Let's go. Let's go. Trumpnomics. Dude, I'm blown away. I've had words about Trump over the years. You guys know that. I don't get political. It's not going to be. I've had words about Trump. But I'm blown away. He won the election and the popular vote. The man earned it. He earned it. He won. It is, you know, that's what it is. Democracy in action. I was kind of worried that he would lose the popular vote, but then win the electoral college. And then I'd be like, man, it really win it. You got to win the popular vote. In my mind, you guys can have different opinions. Like, if you don't win the popular vote, it's just like, seems weird, right? It's like, not really democracy. But he did. Cemented. And you know what I can infer from this? A lot of you want to kind of run with this idea. You know, we get very hopeful, euphoric in these times. But I think what we're really seeing is that was a definitive win. There was no contest of the election. There was no dragging it on. This is certainty. We got certainty, and I definitely did not expect that the day after election. I thought this would run on for a while. Markets love certainty. More so than any specific outcome of anything, they just like it to be predictable. They like questions to be erased, and I think that is why we are seeing, at least right now, the continuation. I think that's why, obviously on top of other factors, We're seeing these green candles, baby. Watch Warren bend over for Bitcoin, Brendan. Yeah, Senator Warren got elected again, right? It's interesting. It was a sweep, exactly. Ain't nobody can say shit. What's up, Mad Cow? Japernicus joining us. Cherry City Bulls. How you doing, my friend? DI. Mods, by the way, we usually don't allow kind of like spammy of political stuff, but today just let people go. Unless they're getting toxic. Like, unless they're attacking people, just let them go. Let them magma, let them do whatever they want. It's all good. Honestly, guys, no, you've seen this. We have been live here for 5 years. I shouldn't rant this diverge, but it's okay. Real quick, 5 years. So we've seen. This is our second election, right? Second election, 2020, 2024. Yep. Back for me, like I grew up in a liberal household, and I have very mid views, like libertarian views, obviously Bitcoin views. When the Democrats didn't let Bernie run, I was kind of done with him. I was like, man, this is BS. Anyway, that's just my 2 cents. You guys don't have to love Bernie. You can hate him. I just like that I believe Bernie cares about people. I believe he cares about, like, the individual and the good, kind of improving people's lives. Not saying I agree with all his policies. Anyway, I'm moving on before I get into anything I don't want to talk about. 15-minute. Man, dude, look at this RSI chilling while price is just climbing up. This top wick for me on Coinbase is awesome. Typically, you don't like wicks like this on the run up. We didn't see this on other exchanges, so just spot. To me, I can interpret this as spot is being run up. We're being driven by spot. We're going to check that out here. I don't even know why I'm just speculating. We can actually look. Driven by spot. Typically, when we get this, though, at a high, that's not good. However, we did not sell off. We did not even go back to that candle open. To me, that is zealous buying. That is spot pressure. That's what we want. At the end of October, we're getting excited, and I said, well, wait, what did I say? I want this to be driven by spot. I don't want it to be driven by a squeeze. That's what we're saying. Let's take a look at BYBT Coinglass funding sitting bearishly. Interesting. So a lot of the time we look at funding inversely. When funding is positive, we view it as bearish, and when it's negative, we view it as bullish. However, there is a time when that gets thrown out the window. And we've seen this while we've been live over the years. Let me see where I can find this funding. Super charts. We can see this if they have the data. There is a time where that is not true. And it's a very important time. Let's go to the day. Have we got it? Yeah, we got it. No, the data isn't there. Or it's just taking forever to load. Any minute now, Coinglass. Waiting on you, buddy. Is this really not going to work? No. It doesn't like it when I try to pull out too much data. Here we go. I got it. I got it. Let's make these smaller right here. Let's get rid of this for now. There it is. There is a time, and that time, hopefully, is coming right now. When this market is hot AF, when this market is in a full bull market, look back here in 2021. Funding rates got absurd, absolutely absurd. We saw positive funding as high as 0.16. That is 10x neutral funding. And it does not or did not stop the rally. When this market is truly hot, we do expect to see funding get to absurd numbers at some point, kind of capitulate, peak out, and come back down. We have not seen that to my knowledge. We've seen a little heat up here last year, a little heat up here in March, but look at this. We have so much more room for perpetuals to push us higher. So much room, dude. We're barely outside of neutral. Last time we were even close to this price in March. Where were we, man? 0.7? You're 0.7 here, 0.1 here. Virtually neutral. We have a lot of fuel in the tank. Spot continue to push price up, and we can potentially see the perps then come in afterwards. And I hope, I pray that is what's coming. It certainly looks like it. Let's look at liquidations quick. Bears getting riggedy wrecked, of course. Let's see. Over the last 24 hours, 366 million in shorts liquidated, 206 in longs liquidated. What are you doing, longs? How'd you get liquidated? Wait, was it? How did you long? It hit all-time high and it get liquidated. Probably got caught at the top. Hit liquidation map. What's going on here? Ooh, they updated this. This is a free site, by the way. They don't pay me. Coinglass, I use it. Check it out. They updated this. This is pretty. Almost no liquidations on shorts. All the way to 82 million. We only have what, $1 billion? All the way to 82,000. We only have $1 billion in licks. On the other side, actually, this is kind of low. This is only 1 day liquidations, though. 30-day, we got, yeah, dude, virtually no liquidations. I used to think that whichever side had more, that's what we saw price do. But over the years, you've seen and learned with me that that is really not the case. Seems to chase the weaker side. I don't know. I don't know, man. All right. If I find anything spicy, we'll pull it up. But what are you guys looking at? What's good, fam? I've been in the zone. What's good? What's up, Ali1? You're in a 20x long on Bitcoin at 74.3. Holy shit, dude. Good luck with that. What's up, Bad Seth? Good to see you. Using leverage 100x, absolutely. Kai, what are we agreeing on? Long short matters not. I agree. Mana killer high leverage, yeah, for sure. DGen margin longs 200x, probably. No 80k straight gap to 100k Lars. That's what I like, man. Profit Bear, you're all in on Jesus. I know it, baby. Oh, I know it. Smashing those likes, DG. Shout out to you, my friend. Keep smashing them likes. Keep smashing the likes. Subscribe. What's with that wick on the Coinbase chart, Robert Nitz? I was just ranting about this. So it's just Coinbase. Coinbase is the spot market. They're not the perps market. They're the spot market. To me, I'm going to interpret that. I think we want to see a break of that wick high, but I'm going to interpret that as overzealous buying. Overzealous spot buying, the best type, the best kind. That's what I'm thinking. You smashed it. Thank you, 𝐂𝐲𝐬𝐳. Appreciate you. Boss, new entry. I don't know, dude. New entry? We're at an all-time high. You're asking for an entry? That's going to be the hardest thing, man. A lot of people aren't aware of this if you haven't been through crypto cycles. When shit gets bullish, it gets incredibly hard to enter. And you would think, oh, you just go long. It gets incredibly hard. This is like the real game now. We were in like the playground before. Now we're on the college field playing. New all-time highs. This is when things get very difficult. My advice, as I've always given, not financial advice, but life success advice that I did, and that is why I say this. DCA Bitcoin. That's what I did for years. Get a position, ride it. Trying to catch a perpetual long to kind of ride it all the way through the bull market, man. You're just gonna get wrecked. Slow in, slow out, DCA, stack the corn, stack the biddy. That's the best way to do it, dude. Spot's what moves the market, absolutely. Absolutely. At times perps do, but spot is what moves the market in a way that sticks. In a way that is like real or meaningful. Perps will move the market, but it'll usually just wicks and squeezes. You'll see like a move to the upside will just come back, move to the downside will just come back. Perps are like the whipsaw. Spot is the path that it follows. Absolutely. At least you entered, hell yeah. You can get rich by compounding lots of small wins. That's true. Stack smaller coins, crypto independent. That brings me to the next topic. That's what people have been saying for two years. They'll be right eventually. For 2 years, they'll be right eventually. That ain't the case yet. We have not seen dominance skip a beat. In fact, dominance still following USD for Bitcoin. If you had bet on alts at any of this time, you better have been in and out. Dominance has not chilled. It's closed above 60%. So looking at what, like 61 today? Almost 61 today. I don't know, man. There is logic there. There is logic there, though, as we move up. You know, alts are getting more and more on sale. So there's some reality. I guess the problem is, for 2 years, you could have said that. For 2 years, you would have just bid it over and over and over again. I don't disagree. There's going to be a time. I don't know if that time's yet. We might need to see Bitcoin chill out a little bit. Speaking of alts, though, doing well. Dogecoin. My Doji. My baby. I'm getting jealous of Dogecoin. Dogecoin is making me sad about my Litecoin. That's okay. I got a lot of Dogecoin too. Dogecoin hitting 21.7. Retesting March's high. Here's my challenge right now, chat. We have how many viewers? 700-ish. I can't believe there's only 700 here on this spicy day. Here's my challenge right now. What other charts, what other altcoins can you name? Anything. We'll look at it. Don't lie to me, but we'll look at them. What other altcoins can you name that are back to March's high? Bitcoin obviously broke March's high, but what other ones are back at March's high? Any? Let me know. I'm sure there are a few, but to me, it's just Doge. Just Doge. Sol is at March's high? Is it? Are you lying to me, boy? Or you just want to see Sol? You just want to see Sol? We're not doing requests. We're doing what coins are at March's high. Nope. Sol's not the farthest. Damn, look at that trade. That trade slapped 162. Oh, perfect trade, bro. Perfect inverse head and shoulders entry. Nope. 210. Our trades are going to have to hit the TPs before Sol's there. What coins are at their March's high? Yeah, that's right. No lying. No liars. Turbo? I don't think Turbo is. Sui, Thomas Vane. What's up, bro? Good to see you, my friend. You're back. You're probably right. You're probably right. Sui did hit like an all-time high. Has it held on to any of those gains yet? All right, there we go. There we go. March's high. October. All right, Sui. So we got Doge and Sui. What else we got? Cass is not. ADA is. I mean, is it? It really didn't like really move at all. If it's at March's high, it's like been at March's high, right? Like since March. What else? Uniswap is up big. Is Uniswap back? Let me look at Doge. Well, I'm kind of liking pulling these up. We went long on Uni recently. Let's see if that played out. For some reason, this is a TRX chart now. I love when this does that. Let's see, is this the chart? I'm gonna have to play find the chart. Uni? There it is. I found the chart. Oh, it skunked us. Skunked us. Uniswap not back at March's high. Uniswap's high at 17. I was wrong. We're only at 9. Still doing good there. Timecoin, ADA. All right, 𝐂𝐴𝐧. You're saying ADA. Guys, we're not doing requests. For anybody just joining, seeing the chat, this isn't requests. This is what coins are at March's high. Oh, let's go, ADA. March's high, ADA, not even close, bro. 88 cents. It's at 35. Not even close. However, good. Thank you for bringing that up. This trade's slapping. You know what happens, man. When my trades start hitting, you know what that means. If you've been here for years. When I keep fumbling trades, you also know what that means. It was a joke. Not a good joke. I said no lying to me. No lying. Ooh, interesting. Right now, guys. Right now, Binance climbing 75K. I guess technically so is Coinbase. It's weird though. Maybe not as weird as it is interesting. Binance did not get that wick, but this climb looks kind of more confident, doesn't it? A little more confident. This stayed flatter. I have very strong confidence that Binance will trade to 75.8 like today. Just based on that wick. Probably during the stream, let's be real. ETH about to break flat resistance. Popcat. All right. So Popcat probably is. It probably is. But this coin doesn't have that much history, right? It's not at March's high. It didn't even exist in March. Well, at least on MEXC. This doesn't really count. Coins that were trading in March. We have Sui is now at its March high. We have Doge at its March high. What else? Skibbity. Radium. Definitely above previous high. We're not, all right. I know Radium has been putting on some gains. We're not asking though if they've gained. We're asking about March's high. There we go. Radium above March's high. We got Radium. We got Doge. We got Sui. Those are the only winners so far. MPC. Kind of another one of those. Wasn't really, this doesn't really count. It was the first day of trading. MPC, it seems like just everything that came out at that time kind of had all-time highs around them. MPC, we had another pretty damn slick trade on Monday. Let's go. Didn't quite hit the TP there. I did take this, by the way. If you guys remember, I was like looking for it and I was like, what exchange can I get this on that I can log into while I'm live? I did it after live. I did take this trade. I bought like a few hundred spot. $200. It's not a big trade. But I did take it, so you know. Didn't hit TP yet. Still looking good. Doge soon. Doge is already there. That was the first one. That's what started it. Near can't be, right? Everything else is still at a massive discount. Perhaps. Lemon's graphics. Perhaps. If you, I mean, not all projects are going to go to their all-time highs, in my opinion. Not all. In USD, maybe. I don't know. Dude, it's so hard because we are seeing like the different cycle generations of coins. And now as we're getting into having more cycles, because we really haven't had that many, we're starting to see like what things do long term. And the coins that I started with, 2017, 16, 18, very few of them broke to new all-time highs. Very few. Ethereum did, obviously, but like very few. And I don't know. I don't believe that is a kind of mechanic of just that year, right? Especially because at least they were bullshitting back then. At least they were like, look at all this technology. We're upgrading. We're doing all these things. Now it's just like, haha, meme funny. Haha, meme funny, I think probably has a worse long-term perspective, right? I don't know. This is my logic. I'm trying to figure this out. Are we going to see, I guess we'll say 2021 coins like Sol? Are we going to see them break all-time high? It's obviously not just Sol. I don't know, dude. I don't know. Mantra, Nick, I do know that Mantra has done some stuff because we charted it. Nope, not this. We charted it recently. Is it at all at previous March high? Mantra. We got the robes out, boys. Smash the like button for the robes. Recto, make crypto great again. It seems as if it's, well, Bitcoin's always been great. Crypto does need a little bit of help though right now. It does. All right, this is at March's high. This is beyond March's high. We have actually been following this one for a while. I don't remember who originally recommended it or asked to look at it, but yeah, Mantra up there as well. I think we'll add that to the stack. There's not many. Doge, Radium, Sui, Mantra. We check SLP kick sweep. We're kind of doing something specific here if you didn't notice. Pull it up. Is it at March's high? Nah, not at March's high. Not at March's high. Let's go. For some reason, this Binance chart looks more bullish to me. Let me pull up my old trades. The old traderoos. I did open a little bit more short. A little bit more short. But I got that long still open, baby. 21,000 long. Now 10,000 short. I think I added at like 73 or something. Just added like a little bit. Really what that is just acting as a take profit. Long now up 86%. Short down 34%. My stop loss, look at this. I got so lucky last night. I moved my stop just to the like original wick high. I think this is getting stopped out. The 7.6. I moved it just like up a little bit. I had it at maybe 75.1 and I saw it rallying and I was like, nah, I'm going to move this just the smallest smudgeon. And for once I didn't get hunted. Shout out to Fomc, links in the video description below, for not hunting me out like you guys have seen on other exchanges when I've tried them. Let's go. Only up like 2 grand. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see if we can ride that. PEPE weekly. All right, Schmeedy. All right, Schmeedy. I think Bitcoin's about to break out again right now. The PEPE. Do I trust the cup and handle on Bitcoin? I don't know if I trust it. I don't know if I trust the cup and handle. so much as, wow, PEPE's still here. PEPE not at March high. You liar, Schmeedy. Oh, actually, no, you're not a liar. Okay. We just went higher after. All right, fair enough. That does look like a big flag. PEPE do look like the big flag, doesn't it? What was I saying? What was I even saying? I don't know, man. I'm stoked. I'm stoked. I really need to see like a move where, let's say, I want to see that 8-digit. I want to see a new digit. New first digit on the price. Maybe I'll be like extra stoked. I am stoked, but I'm not. I don't know if I'm ready to love yet. There's been a lot of pain. By the way, it's day 600. What is it? 600. You are already dead. Did you know that? You're already dead. 676. I knew it before the stream, but now I'm kind of, man, I'm all over the place mentally. Day 676. I was right. Of the Bitcoin, a bull run. Do you guys remember when we started this? January 1st, 2023. I started counting. We are now on day 676. My lord, whenever we have the full bull blow off top, super spicy, ultimate pumps, we will have earned it, my friends. We will have earned it. We'll have earned it. PEPE do look like a big flag. Big flag. Above previous all-time high. I mean, that doesn't look bad. That looks pretty good. Let's see. From current price. Let's use this. Clip. There it is. Then we need our tool. Our price range tool from current price. Let's see. PEPE back to all-time high. 80% gain. Okay. 80% gain. 1618, 256% gain. Measure move, 400% gain. Still pretty good. Still pretty good. Oh, man. Every time I look away, she's even greener. Oh, she's going. I think Binance is trading to 75.8 probably today, maybe during the live with your help. Keep smashing them likes, subscribes. Keep hyping it up. Gary Gensler. See ya, bud. Gary Gensler won't even be able to wear a robe like this come next year. See ya, buddy. You doubted it? It's all right. It's all right, man. That's part of the cycle. I feel like the cycle doesn't even... You don't even progress in the cycle unless you have everyone doubting everything. Bitcoin moving up again. 75.2. Coinbase, fill that wick. Fill that wick. Fill that wick. Chant it. Fill that wick, boys. Fill it. $600 to go. Not even 1%. Maybe I'll have enough time. I think this is going to actually move right now, but maybe I'll have enough time to show you guys the thing I wanted to start this stream with and I forgot. The most important chart. The utterly most important chart. Right here. Total crypto market cap. Still not at all-time high, guys. I have a hunch now. So for a long time, I've been saying when we do see a new total all-time high, which we didn't have in March, when we do, that will be like the full bull, right? I have another hunch. I think this is where Bitcoin dominance tops out. I think Bitcoin continues to run. I think dominance continues to run until total hits a new all-time high. Does that sound crazy? Then I think we see total relax. All-time high, by the way, 3 trillion. Currently at 2.5 trillion. Then I think Bitcoin dominance relaxes, and I think alts go crazy. That's a 23% move to the upside. It means 23% back to all-time highs of 2021. It's wild that this hasn't hit yet. Not enough people pay attention to this. For real, like not nearly enough people pay attention to this. Our prediction last cycle was a perfect 1618 extension from 2017 cycle. We do that same math, we get the same numbers that we were looking for. To that 1618, 6.5 trillion, roughly a 2.5x of total crypto market cap. Still wouldn't put it in gold, like even near gold, would it? Oh shit. I thought that that was this one. Whoops. Here we go. I think dominance tops out. There it is. I think dominance tops out when this breaks, and I think alts go nutty when this breaks. I think actually this is better. 7.2. There we go. 7.2. The 6 point whatever, that's actually from the previous cycle. That would be crazy. It's crazy that they're so close together too. But we're not there. Let's look at our TA here. Same green dot. I like that on total. Bird eater. Same money flow, higher high, momentum up, dude. This is bulls are angry, bro. The reason we're not at all-time high, despite Bitcoin being at all-time high, is because this chart. Bitcoin dominance much higher than the same time in the cycle. Let's see. What was the exact date? November 21. Hold up. November 21. Dominance. November 21. November 21. There it is. Right here. Right here. Dominance is basically double. That is how we're able to have an all-time high on Bitcoin and no all-time high in total. So I think that actually lines up logically. We hit a new total all-time high. Dominance tops out. Dominance starts dropping. Bitcoin probably starts trading sideways. Alts then make the move. Everybody jumps into alts. Then alts pull back as Bitcoin moves, and we just see that same cycle repeat over again. I'd bet my bottom dollar. You can tell Tom is a fan of Ben. Ben Cohen. It's funny to me that people, and I understand because Benjamin Cohen has talked almost solely about dominance for like years. Solely. But like Benjamin Cohen didn't invent Bitcoin dominance. He also didn't invent the 60% target. We've been looking at dominance for years. Everybody has looked at it. He definitely popularized the 60% though. That, like, he definitely popularized it. But you can go back and find videos on this channel where I talk about 60% in like 2021. It has nothing to do with Benjamin Cohen at that point. Here we go. 75.3, looking to fill that gap. Let's go. Papa Smurf always says, I love Benjamin Cohen. I am a fan of Benjamin Cohen. He's a good dude. He's a good dude. Kamala Harris called Donald Trump to concede and congratulate him on his victory. What else is there to do? What else? You know, what else is there to do, man? Won the popular vote. You won the election. That's it. GG's. Me and Ben are some of the best. Hell yeah. I dig Cohen. Shout out to Benjamin Cohen. You guys probably already subscribed. What's up, Sergio? You guys are tuning in to Bitcoin reapproaching all-time high. Can we get some likes, some subscribes, some clicky placebo buttons? You have to will Bitcoin to a new all-time high. Immediate target 77.1. If you missed the beginning of the stream, 77.1 might be enough to rid us of some of these concerns. RSI not higher than the end of October. Potentially bearish divergence forming. I am not bearish. I do not think we're going down. I think we're going to fix that. But we have to find out. If the high is in here, like on the poll, we got almost 1,000 votes in that poll. 15% thing in the top is in. If they're right, we have bear div, and maybe we have a bunch more boring ahead. We'll find out. We will find out. What's up, JW? My guy, JW8888. Welcome. Coinbase stock. Let's look at Coinbase stock. As soon as I like even look down, you see that candle pops up. Keep this chart close. Nice. Coinbase soaring 250. Let's go. What about MicroStrategy? I haven't looked at these today. Bitcoin's been on my mind. Huge gap. I just got an alert. What was the alert? Binance 75.2 and counting. The alert was something else. No more election texts today. That's what I'm happy about. That's my biggest W. I was getting a dozen plus a day. What's good, Nick Z? Daddy Daylight, what's up, man? I hate your name, but I love you, my friend. Welcome. Hate saying your name. I don't hate your name. 250 on the coin. Let's find out. Right back. Interesting. Interesting. Does this make sense to you guys? March, we had this little flag too. Or am I thinking October? I'm getting my time frames confused. Things are starting to look fractally. Some bigger time frames looking like smaller time frames. I was going to say, we're also looking for a flags ascending trend line on Bitcoin here. It's interesting. Coin also doing something similar. Yeah, right here. There it is. Also doing something similar, stuck below an ascending trend line. Weird. Weird. But Bitcoin says I'm not stuck under shizzle, my friend. 75.4. Let's go. Let's go. Binance catching up to fill the gap. Let's go. 74.5 coming. Focus. I can't. I'm leaving for Dubai tomorrow. I'm streaming at all-time highs today. Life is something. Life is spicy, man. It's getting spicy. MicroStrategy not at a new all-time high. Very strong back test here. Strong pullback. Look at this gap. Heading towards it. Damn. Damn. Go, Corn, go. 58 minutes on this 4-hour candle. And we are testing that trend line again. Testing that trend line. We've already back tested the previous all-time high. Binance, I think, is looking to match Coinbase's Wick high at 75.8 today. That was my prediction a little bit ago. It's looking healthy. It's looking good. Looking very good. Team Corn, let's go. Let's go, Team Corn. You'll be there soon. Take off this tax for U.S. citizens. Hopefully I pay less taxes. Binance already broke it. Binance did it. Binance broke 75.8. No, it didn't. Negative, sir. Negative, false alert. False report. You're docked 1 point for your false report. Eth fighting, dude. Eth has been struggling, dude. It's gonna bust. Hyper adoption. Someday. I mean, certainly in perspective, Bitcoin has been hyper adopted over the, I don't know, the last year, the year before, maybe every year in perspective the year before, but no, dude. Hyper adoption is not what's going to drive this up. This is going to drive up and then people will adopt it. That is what we have seen like clockwork. 5-minute close above the trend line, first one. Highest 5-minute close in Bitcoin history. And I don't think she's done. I don't think she's done. We've got more gas in the tank. We need it. Oh. New hourly starting right now. Closed right below. Interesting. Right below. Go back. I'm like looking at both charts, man. Like Binance, Coinbase, which one's moving? Binance is climbing up. What's up, Mr. F? How you doing? My next coffee or shake from some of your APE profits. Oh, thank you. I was like so confused. I was like, what? Thank you for the 15 pounds. Cheers. The next GameStop. What's GameStop doing? Is Bitcoin a he or a she? I think it's a she. That's my opinion. The corn is popping. Hopping. Not much volume. Let's see. Volume's getting harder and harder to track, man. Getting harder and harder. Like, we can say volume on Coinbase, you know, sure. But then volume on ETFs, like inflows, it's not counted on any exchange. It's not like in our aggregate volumes. Like there's just like different, kind of more hidden volumes happening now. Ooh, opening up the hour to a red. Def she, I agree. I agree. It's not time to look at GameStop, says Janix. I agree. The music is appropriate. It's a little tense. It's a little curious. Kraken USD all-time high broken. All right. Kraken also a spot market for the most part. Let's take a look. Bitcoin Euro broke all-time high today. We were waiting for that on the last stream. What about the GBP? GBP. Every single pair, I believe. I think every single pair. Let's see with the franc, because I think that one was the farthest. Even the franc, even the Swiss franc broke all-time high. All currencies at all-time high, baby. You love the volume chart candles. I kind of do too. They're growing on me. The only thing I don't like about them is that they distort trend lines. I don't like that. The coin is queen. Am I still stacking Litecoin? Nah. Still stacking Bitcoin. I haven't sold my Litecoin. I'm not actively stacking right now. I've had this price to buy forever. What was I looking at? What'd you say? USD. Kraken USD, thank you. To the Kraken. Interesting. You're right. Damn, good spot. Good spot. Kraken did just break all-time high again, ahead of, seems like ahead of Bitcoin on Coinbase and Binance. Interesting. It's just a wicking down. Ooh, look at that recovery though. That's bully. That's bully. Look at this. Boop. Right back up. The bulls are back, baby. We are so back. Famous last words. We are so back, and it's gone. And it's gone. Look at the volume here on Coinbase. That wick, beautiful. You can see volume though, certainly trending up, especially here. Low dip in volume, higher volume. It's coming. Coinbase is going to test 75.8 again today. Coinbase is stock, man. This huge gap up. Holy crap. From 194, technically close to 193. Gapped 15% up this morning. Oh, buddy. Good luck being bearish. What's up, Cisco Kid? Who else is new here? What's up, Abdi, Abishk, David, Ace the Kid, my man. What's up, Jordy? How you doing, Jordy? We got the robes out, my friend. The silk robes. We haven't had the robes out in many a year. What's up, Alex Wells, Andreas, Bakahalu, Gostoso. Who else is new? Brian. How you doing, Brian Weldrick? Duke Hijinks, good name. Dale Russell, I think I missed you earlier. Crypto Steve O, my man, tuned in to watch Bitcoin break all-time highs yet again today. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Kevin, what's up, Kevin? How you doing? John Doe, who else is new? Mr. T Crypto, name here. Relaxation Music Certified, good to see you back. Sergio, my guy, Simply Better. We got a lot of new people tuning in. Do you feel the hype? Is the hype real? Do you feel the hype right now? You're new? Is anybody here for the first time? I think I've seen all these names before. Turn down the Rez. Since you have music today, I don't know. I love Rez, the artist, music artist. Thought Crow was dead, so you're saying there's a chance. I mean, there's a chance everything's gonna go up in dollar value. Bitcoin is. It's probably gonna bleed against it, but probably bleed against Bitcoin. But I'm curious, man. I was just talking about that. I don't know. We've seen a lot of, I want to say 2 cycles or now 3 cycles ago, coins not break their all-time highs of their main first cycle. I don't know if that's going to be what happens to the now million other coins, right? We're gonna find out. If Sol breaks its all-time high, then I'll probably have some confidence that maybe we'll have some winners every cycle. I don't know. Don't say that. You're new here? What's up, Seductive Lifestyle? Hey, you like the robe? It's very seductive. First time in the comments. What's up, Pepe? Long stalking. Good to see you, man. We've got some new viewers. Is anyone new to crypto, though? Like, maybe you're new to this channel. Is anybody new to crypto here? Kind of doubt it. 80K today, says Mr. Daylight. It's possible. 99.999%. Oh, 100% of Bitcoin holders are in profit now. Just 100. What's up, T-Freed? NTY dude. What's up, brother? Meta signals NFT back to its original price. I haven't heard about it. I don't know. I believe you. We need a big green dildo. Yes, we do. 5 years new, hell yeah. What's up, Skryzonus? You started today with 80 euro and now you have 90 euro. You're living the life. Hello from Switzerland. What's up, Switzerland? You guys, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Join us. Things are about to get really, really hectic. You're gonna hear a lot of bullshit from every outlet about crypto, from every social media, from every channel. We keep it real here. We keep it real. I don't shill you stuff. There's gonna be a lot of shilling, a lot of dumping on viewers. That's never happened here. 5 years on YouTube, never will. A community is what's gonna keep you in this game. The community is what's going to get you to those all-time highs. You're not gonna make it by yourself, I promise. More power to you if you do, but your odds go down significantly. What's up, Hyperfront? My guy, D-Shep de Boss. Nix, we got some new subscribers. If you subscribe, this will roll over in real time. It's been slow. I'm curious why it's so slow right now. Isn't it weird? Shouldn't it be more popping? I don't know. Something's afoot. Is BitBoy still doing YouTube? I don't know. Probably. Probably. Today's your birthday. Happy birthday, Siddhant. Happy birthday. 100% real with 100% balls of steel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Rob from Digital Asset News sent us to you after a stream about a month ago. That's when you subscribed. I remember that. I love Rob. He's a good dude. What level did you say we need to break? I said I believe that Binance will move to 75.8 because they didn't get that wick. Coinbase got the wick. So I think Binance will move at least to 75.8 like today, just to mirror that wick, just to have that same wick high. Binance literally in this, 1 minute ago, retested its all-time high. Little red candles coming in. Andreas thinks that Kendo has 1000x still in play. I hope so for your sake, my friend. I hope so. Little bit of red. Man, we have not been seeing many red candles here. 15-minute wrapping up in 3 minutes. Will the bears make their first red candle of this stream? I don't know. Interesting. So Binance a minute ago tested its all-time high, got the red candle. Coinbase just broke that equivalent high with a higher high, but not that wick. Interesting. Interesting. What's going on here? 2 minutes to close here on the 15. You're going to jail because you had sex with an animal, Jasper. With a bear. Probably, my friend. And keep that out of chat. Bestiality is frowned upon in these parts. Tell about Cardano. Cardano is... nothing's really doing anything with it. What's up, Greg? How are you? What a day. What a day for the whole world, man. This is a crazy day. Everyone's going to see Asian Gina tomorrow. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so bummed about it. I'm so bummed. FOMCs are always Wednesday. They're always Wednesday. Had it been Thursday scheduled, I probably wouldn't even gone to Dubai. I would have stayed here. But at this point, I have to go. I'm not going to be able to be here for it. It's going to be the first FOMC we miss in years. Minute 30 seconds, 15 minute. Coming in with them bulls. Looking for a higher close. I have to keep going in between these because they actually are doing slightly different things. Binance has not broken its initial high. Coinbase has with the wick, but then also it broke it again just right now. They're diverging a little bit. Which will win? What's up, Jacob? Carlos, how you doing? Thanks for subscribing, join the fam. Discord.gg/TomCrown. We got 1,300 viewers. That's not bad. That's pretty good. We can do better. We only have 350 likes though. Rookie numbers. You guys can do better. I believe in you. Just under a minute watching this 15-minute close, potentially at the highest 15-minute close ever in the whole world. Gold still moving. Arkham. What's gold doing? Where's gold at? Obviously up. Obviously up. As soon as I said that, I was like, it's gonna be down. Damn. Gold taking the opposite direction as the corn. That is hella spicy, friends. Corn moving to all-time highs, gold retracing. This is a pretty predictable retrace, though. That is not a concerning retrace. Weekly order block, new all-time high, back to the order block. Gold could very well bounce here, 2,659. I guess the mailman's here. There's a lot of barking going on. Professor Beans, she's like, I want to be on stream. I wish to be on stream. Is it gold arc? Hold up. The barking is distracting me. For some reason, the arc chart won't load. I don't know what's up with that. Maybe it's here. Is it arc or is it ARKM? That's why. Is it this? No. Yeah, maybe we just move on. I'll just click this. Hold up, fam. I might have to go down and get the door. I don't know what's going on. You probably can't hear it, but I can. And it's very distracting. There's nothing more distracting to me than my dog barking. Nothing's loading. Okay. Not bad. Arc moving to a higher high, looking for 260. I'm trying to lure here. I don't really care about it right now, but I want to keep up with it. Radium we got. Cetus stopped out, moved higher. Okay. Here's one at all-time high. Cetus. You guys have been requesting it actually a good amount the last few weeks. Nice volume on Cetus. Damn, this thing is cooking. 50 cents, good upside target. All right, yeah, okay, it's finally stopping. Okay. Back to the corn. Sorry about that, everybody. 15-minute close green. Jeez, this ain't bad. It ain't bad. 75.5. Heading towards that 75.8. Hey, Binance moving slower. Still incredibly bullish though. Higher highs, higher lows. Let's go. Let's go. Just send it. Refresh in the chat. Here's what I don't get. We have 1,300 viewers. We have like 400 likes. We have 1,200 votes in this poll. Why don't we have 1,200 likes, guys? WTF. We can do better. Bitcoin's about to hit a new all-time high right here while we're live. You're not hitting the like button. You're not sharing it out. You're not subscribing. I'm just playing. Bums. That's right, Jonah. You tell him. BitGet way behind these charts. That's weird. That's not a great sign. I have never, to my knowledge, given out a BitGet link. I thought they were shady from the beginning. Christopher Stars hit the like 1,000 times. Thank you, dude. Appreciate you. I appreciate that. I think if you hit it more than once, it doesn't do anything. But you're welcome to keep hitting them. 1,200 likes, the new next target. If we get 1,200 likes right now, Bitcoin will go to a new all-time high. It might happen anyway, even if we don't. I got this short stream. I wasn't even going to fire it up. I guess I'm just going to fire it up because maybe Bitcoin will blast off here and we'll jump over there. Firing up that live. Stay here. You don't have to go over there. Stay here unless you're on a phone. You can go over there. Firing that up. New all-time highs coming right now. Loading. God, I hope so. I like what we're seeing so far. I'm not seeing weakness, not seeing sellers. I'm seeing what we typically see when Bitcoin is blasting the F off. What's up, Ahmed? Dude, as soon as I fired that up, Ahmed, Jacob, Kurlos, welcome, fam. You are sitting, watching Bitcoin test all-time highs. What's up, Ahmed? Let's go, boys. I don't know what's going on outside. Something. What's up, my friend from maybe Russia? I don't know. I don't know where that's from. 75.4, teetering on the edge of bear extinction. Bitcoin looking for new all-time highs. Let's go. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. It's gonna be a good day. Hopefully my door stops making noise and Bean stops barking. I just silenced, like turned on the audio silencer. Hopefully I can't hear it now. A lot of liquidity between 75.5 and 76. What do you mean by that, Amen? You mean there's orders in the order book? Super stoked, we're at all-time high. And none of your family is talking about it yet. Exactly. Opened with that. Not a ton of hype. Yeah, here we are. New all-time high. Can't imagine a more bullish setup. Previous all-time high sitting over $1,000 below us. Almost $2,000 below us. Testing the Wick high of today. Beautiful. Just appreciate these candles for a little bit. No, what's really crazy is we have had a $6,000 candle today. It's like the biggest green candle we've seen in quite some time. Yet it's still only 8%. This is only an 8% day. Let's go back here. An 8% day. Let's go back to last October. 7%. 10%. Where's the biggest day? Back to all-time high. 8%. 9%. 6%. 9%. Actually, man. These all have Wick highs, so they have had bigger days. 19%. There we go. February of 21. This candle, $7,500, but a 20% move then. The last cycle really seems to be kind of characterized by under 10% days, but back to back to back to back 10%. The slow climb. It is weird. This feels like the biggest God candle ever. It's just 8.5%. That's it. Bigger candles are coming. Bigger, better. When's the 10K candle coming? I mean, at 100,000, a $10,000 candle is only 10%. Hey, peanuts. When I started crypto, a $10,000 candle would have been multiple 100%, right? Times change. Everybody was bearish, I don't know, a month ago. I have a feeling everyone's about to get bullish. Here we are, retesting higher lows again and again and again. The bulls not dropping the energy, not dropping the vibe, not dropping the ball for once. Yay. I wonder what fear and greed is going to be tomorrow. My loud, probably like 99, like 999 fear and greed tomorrow. Funding is exactly where we left it. This just sit here and just take it in. Take it in. This should actually be way higher than 91, but I goofed this trade up a few times. 91%. I goofed it up a few times and I added up, and so my entry moved up. You guys were here for the whole experience. My short's about to get stopped out. Hopefully that ain't the top. I need a ring. I need lots of rings. What do I suggest for crypto tax software? J. Ross? Depends where you are, obviously. Taxes are different in every country. If you're in the US and you have a lot to declare on your taxes for crypto, I think you should just get a CPA, don't use software. If you have, like, I don't know, you've made a bunch of trades, but there's not a huge P&L. I know coin tracking has some good software. I think there's a lot more options now. It's a lot more available. Look at ACX. It's about to take off. Probably not today. Today's a Bitcoin day. Today's a bitty day. Here we go. Let's do it. Let's do it. We're going to all-time highs again. Are you ready? Are you ready? There it is. Binance new all-time high, 75.4. What's Coinbase doing? Chilling. Binance new all-time high. Damn, dude. Let's go. Let's actually go. Let's all actually go. I want to see 77.1 today. This would be cool. This would be a fun ride. Move up here. Give us a higher daily RSI. Move back down to 75.4. That'd be a fun ride. Damn, dude. Where are the sellers? Where are the sellers at? It's like all the sellers got absorbed by Coinbase already. Like this Wick. Just absorbed all of it. Cleared the order books. Clear skies, babe. What's up, Kyle? Will I be in Dubai for quadruple C? That I will, my friend. Kyle Kaizen. I'll be in Dubai literally tomorrow. I fly out at like 6 in the morning or something. You like these days? These are the days, baby. Enjoy them. Enjoy them. Don't lose your mindset. Don't lose your risk management. Don't start doing stuff differently. You had the whole bear market to train like an anime character. You're training to fight the boss. You had that whole bear market. Don't throw that out the window now. All those lessons that you learned, it's going to be different, but all those lessons that you learned, mostly about not going all in, not going all out, they're coming back. They'll be valuable. Highest positive volume day since March. 75.6 hitting on Coinbase here. Let's check out that volume. Damn, that is. Who was saying not a lot of volume? That's not bad, bro. That's not a bad volume. That is more volume than any of the daily candles that we've seen since August. And we still have 20% to go. So logically, probably going to see that volume about 20% higher by the end of the day. This is also Coinbase, just Coinbase. That's the thing. I'm having trouble with this, guys. Maybe someone has a solution out there. What's the best way to look at volume? Because we can say, okay, this is all spot volume. That's good. That's valuable. But this isn't a picture of all the volume, like even close. We've only had, what, 2, 3, maybe 4 days of higher volume than this since March. That's not bad volume, guys. That's pretty good. That's good. Binance USD for Bitcoin all-time high right now, 75,466. She's blasting off, targeting 71.1, 78.2, in my opinion. Volume pretty good on Binance too. Pretty reflective of what we're seeing on Coinbase. Here we go. 75.6. Dude, I can't even look at anything else. I'm just staring at this candle. You can't because of the ETFs. Yeah, it's really weird. ETFs, OCT. We've got a lot of weird dynamics at play that are going to hide things from us. You're back. How do you Jersey Mike's? Did you grab me any Romanian Pipple? Did you grab me some? I'm hungry as shit. Arnold Palmer candle. Here we go. Fomc above all-time high. I like that answer. Almost. Almost, because I'd be stopped out on the short if it was. Look at volume on Bitcoin index chart. Yes. Let's give that a try. The thing is I don't really know the index, like what the index chart is. Like I realize it's what it's supposed to be, but I don't really know what it is. I'll have to ask Coinbase. I'll have to ask TradingView. Because they'll give you a volume on almost any chart. Apparently not on this one though. Now they don't even have volume on the index chart. That was a good thought though. I was like, yeah, you're probably right. They don't even have volume. You change it to volume candles, it doesn't do anything. You add volume, the indicator, doesn't do anything. Yeah, I don't know. That was a good guess though. Bitcoin's heating up. Bitcoin's all the way heated up. It's all the way up. There's volume on your index chart. Why am I getting skunked? Why am I getting skunked here? The crypto index, right? Oh, you're using this? I don't know though. I don't know. Where is it coming from? Like, I would also assume that that is aggregate, but I don't know, man. It kind of just looks like Coinbase. It could very well just be Coinbase. Let's put them side by side. See if that. Nah, that's gotta be Coinbase's volume, right? That looks exactly the same. There's no difference. Now that's got to be Coinbase's. Actually, I see a little difference back here. I saw a little difference in March. I don't know. I'll ask TradingView about it. I've asked them before weird stuff like that. Boom, 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 boom. There it is. There it is. What's up, Sheikh Zula, Xenodermis? This would be a great moment to play the pump song. Yeah, I'm having trouble with these. This player, man, it's effing annoying. It won't let me just play whatever song I want. It's only letting me play them in a list, but I can't even easily scroll through that list. Hold up. We're still here. We're still going. We're still live, baby. I realized I didn't even pull up the short chat. Yikes. Rip that short stream then. We got a few viewers over there. What's good, Crypto Daddy? A lot of daddy names in crypto today. What's up, Board Shooting, M4 Ninja, Nobert? Change the music. It just changed, brother. Your wish is my command. It just changed. Turn it down a smidgen. I don't know how loud it was. I can't hear it at the volume you hear it at. There we go. Jeez. All good, bro. No need to make excuses for your interesting taste in music. Was I making excuses? I don't even think I made excuses. Bonk going crazy. Going 750% crazy. Well, I don't even need to pull up the chart to know that, well, this is about to be a disappointment. Has not gone 750% today. Damn, back to that TP back here. You have more bonk. This one hasn't been open since 23. Ooh, it smells like stink bugs all of a sudden. That's a strange, random smell. It is weirdly hot today after being very cold. Got nothing on this? I was thinking maybe we had more recent TA. That's so weird, dude. Why does it smell like I bet there's a like stink bug in my vents. That's funky. That's real funky. Bonk. Yeah, not 750%. I mean, a 14% day. Not bad. Not bad. Bonk. Kind of similar to PEPE. Really just consolidating, coiling, flagging maybe. Doge. This is the real one, man. This is the real G. I think Doge is likely to come back to 17.62 cents, but I think it is very likely that it is going to fully test this resistance range. 27 cents. If it breaks there, it's going right back to all-time high. If it goes back to all-time high, break it, you're probably moving to multiple dollars, like $4. Doge is looking so good. Bitcoin putting the brakes on our excitement for a minute. What's up, C-Loss? Akash Podar says, you suck. Yet you've tuned in to watch me, my friend. My GPU is frying. Is the, I mean, says everything's good on my end. No frames dropping. Nothing. Nothing. I think coins in the last cycle will get back to where they were. I don't know, man. I've been talking about that a good amount. It's like when I started, I thought, okay, coins will always go back to their all-time highs. And then as time went on, most of them haven't. Like, the older they are, it seems like the more, like, the less have. I don't know. This cycle is really going to cut it for me. AAVE is flying. Boom. What a sweep. Up 25% on the day. Very, very nice candle. But I need to see AAVE over 172. Got to see it over that September high. Interesting. Interesting. AAVE above its March high. So it joins the Doge, Radium, SUI, Mantra category. This does look good. I just wouldn't go chasing it with a long right here under resistance. Like right under 172, 173. That's a hell of a candle though. If you've been holding AAVE or stacking it, congrats. That's beautiful. Back above its 200 week. Really just got to close above 157. It looks very good. Do I know about Brett? I do. I do know of Brett. Do Sol? We looked at Sol. It's not. It's all right. Brett's boring right now. It's like basically still at entry. I mean, you can take that as a good thing or a bad thing. Still at entry, still time maybe to get in it. I don't know, man. That is pretty spicy. You know, higher lows, pretty definitive trend line. Top isn't as flat as I would like. Bitcoin chilling. Let's see, is dominance chilling with it? Nope. Not at all. Jerome Powell called. He wants his row back. He doesn't deserve this row, baby. He can't don this row. What's up, Derek? Doge has been around much longer than 4 years, Greg. Doge is from like 2014. Doge has been around. 2014 was actually 13. 2013. It just wasn't traded against the dollar that entire time because we didn't have dollar pairs. We had Bitcoin pairs. This is Doge's entire history right here. Coinbase stock, yeah, man, blasting. Absolutely blasting. Absolute. You want to learn trading? How can you learn? I got a pretty sweet playlist on this channel. It's free. Check it out. Just go to my channel page. That's all you have to do. Bye, Chelsea. Spamming. I don't know if that's like your wallet or contract address, but goodbye, Chelsea. We're chilling, waiting for the coin to wind up for round 3, round 2. 75.8 behind us. Looks like we're back testing our 75.4 high from earlier today as support. We'll see. What's up, Irfan? How you doing, man? Make sure you guys are tapping that screen, hitting likes, subscribing. If you subscribe while we're live, like someone just did, yeah, that's right. This will roll over. Hell yeah, good timing. Your name will pop up just like it did for Mohits. What's up, Mohit? I see Marion subscribed. Welcome to the fam. It is surprisingly, dude, I'm blown away by how low hype it is. Bitcoin's at all-time high, boys. I guess we already had one this year. Maybe that's why it's not as, like, hype, right? March already came and gone. Look what happened after March. That's probably what people are saying. Is like, okay, it's at all-time high, but look at what happened in March when we hit all-time high. We just, like, nudged it, and then we spent 270 days doing nothing. Here we are again. Hopefully that's what they're thinking. That's what I hope. Because if they're thinking that, we have so much higher to go. So much higher to go. I think that this cycle blows expectations away. I think whatever people are expecting, I think it gets blown out of the water. It's my honest opinion. Coinbase just crashed? No way. No way. No, it didn't. Not their API didn't, at least. Look at these wicks. We didn't even look at these wicks. Wild wicks. This is spot Coinbase. This isn't some shitter exchange. Coinbase is, at least their API is still moving. I don't know. Their login servers might be down. Or even, I don't know, like their UI. But their API is working. We're getting candles. We're getting data. Coinbase down. People are saying it's down, but it's not down for me. Maybe I should put Coinbase down in the title. That always gets views. That always gets hype. Perfect organism. You've been checking my stuff for a while. You are simply massive. That's a great compliment. Thank you, friend. I needed that today. I appreciate you. I do my best. Coinbase down equal bull run. It's official. Let's go. Let's go. We've been in the bull run, baby. It's day 676. I'm adding Coinbase down to the title, even if it's not. We don't usually do clickbait, but I'll take it today, man. We need all the viewers here today. All the boys to the yard. Report in. We need you. I got the robe on. Bitcoin's at all-time highs. Bro, what'd I say about gold? We looked at gold. I said gold's retracing, which is interesting because gold has just been running. And in fact, Bitcoin and gold were looking pretty correlated for a while, a few months ago. It said a little pullback here, but this is just a very healthy pullback. This is the weekly time frame. Painted an order block, a very bullish order block. You move to a new all-time high. You're just right back to test that order block as support. This is not spooky. Gold looks like it's just going to rip again. Guarantee if you look at that low, you're going to find divergence of some kind somewhere. Holy shit. Gold on the week. Look at this. Overbought. Higher overbought. No bearish divergence. Gold is just parabolic, dude. I don't even know. There's your bullish div on the day. Gold painting much lower RSI low, right back to previous resistance, right back to that weekly order block. I'm looking for a bounce. I bet gold bounces AF here. $1.5 2 something. Gold is so strong. Bitcoin, let's go. Follow yourself up, my friend. Break that wick high on Coinbase. We need it. I need it now. There you go. Well, let's roll. How long have we been live for? Almost 2 hours. Beautiful wick on Binance. Retesting the high. Can we analyze Tron? Tron was looking good. Help you out, G? How so? How can I help you out, Amar? If you ask me for money, probably just gonna mute you, but 98 minutes. Thank you, Pickle. Rounding up the 100 minutes. Reporting in. What's up, Jeremiah? BTC continuations. Let's go. Ninja Data. What's up, friend? Tausif. VWake. All these new subscribers. All the new fam. Joining for an imminent Bitcoin all-time high coming. Right meow. Right meow. Go ahead. Just go. Just go. Don't wait on me, Bitcoin. Just go. It looks better on the Binance chart because it doesn't have that wick. This. Nice hammer candle here on the 15 after trading down. Looking to close up. 1 minute and 5 seconds to go. Nice close. Bullish engulf potentially. Commodities bull run on the horizon, Ian Mackey. Oh yeah, baby, it's already here. When Camry, I don't know what that means, David or Dave. Is TON a good entry? I don't know. I don't know, dude. I'm not touching alts yet. Not until Bitcoin dominance simmers down. I'm not touching alts. Tron actually looks pretty good there. Tron broke its August high, well above its March high. Strong close there. I'm bullish on Tron. I don't really like Tron as the blockchain, but I'm bullish on it. USD is amazing. I used to think when USD came out, or USDT came out, I was like, oh no, this is so bad for crypto. But since then, I think it's actually been amazing for crypto. Amazing. Armin, I don't know what currency that is or how much it is, but it's your third super chat on stream, so I'll pull up Turbo for you. Just because of that. Burp. 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 Meh. Let's see. You got some bull div on your lows there. Momentum looking to roll to the upside. Money flow on the day is still a little weak. It'll be a pretty clean back test. Pretty clean resistance to support flip if it can hold this into the week close. RSI, a little bear div on this high. I still think Turbo is going at least at 2 cents. I still think it hits 5 cents at some point, but we might be looking like deeper into the cycle. Last month's close, I think, cemented that. Yeah, this looks good. It's just really difficult while Bitcoin is doing what it's doing to be like, oh yeah, that's a good opportunity on an alt. The good opportunities on the alts are going to be when Bitcoin chills for a bit. You might end up getting them higher, but I think they'll be better risk to reward. Not only is that a weekly back test of resistance, it's also monthly. So a trade on Turbo with a stop below this month's low could probably be successful. Maybe targeting 2 cents. Corn. Nice 15-minute closed, hella bullish on Binance. Beautiful hammer candle closing above the previous 15-minute, giving us that bullish engulf and above the earlier all-time high of today. I think that is a continuation signal into the end of this hour. Unchanged targets. Let's go. Solana. Is this a scalping channel? Forex. I mean, we do some scalping from time to time, JV. But nah, man, this is a Bitcoin channel, baby. All about the corn. 83,000. Am I long, Armin? Yes. Yes. Yeah, baby. My portfolio, hella long. I have a 10x long open. It's like 22 grand. My short is about to get wrecked. It's okay. It was my contribution to the pump. Close some of that short. We'll open the short in October. Close some of it, added long. Now I'm riding it up. Less than $100 till my short gets riggedy wrecked. Oh, I want to make that bigger than 4. Hold up. So I think it's just 5 clean. 5 clean, maybe? I should do more than that. I really don't even want this short open if it breaks that high. But I'm also reluctant to totally close. I'm net long. I'll be net long by 15K when that gets stopped. I'm reluctant to close it. Honestly, I don't even know why. Maybe that means I should just close it now. What do you think? Bitcoin on Binance hitting all-time high again. Let's go. You know, people were saying Coinbase was down, but it doesn't look down to me. Coinbase almost back to that Wick high. Fill in the gap as we were demanding. Fill in that gap, boys. Let's go. That's weird. Did you see that Wick changed? That Wick absolutely changed. Look, on the 5-minute, it's 75.8 on Coinbase. You go to the hour and it's higher. What is this shenanigan? When you go to the hour, it's 75.9. What? You go to the day and it's back down to 75.8. That is weird. How do you deal with missing a move like this, Andor? I mean, if you don't have any Bitcoin, what can I tell you other than you had like 4 years to stack it? Just know that nothing just moves up, Bitcoin included, even though it's about to break all-time high again. Everything comes back eventually. Highly recommend not buying the top of green candles. Equally recommend not selling the bottom of red candles. Is only day trading good for a lifestyle? No, bro. Terrible idea. If you type into YouTube right now that same question, you'll get a million videos glorifying it, saying how easy it is, how much money they make. Bro, I'll tell you right now, as someone who's been on YouTube 5 years, they're all full of shit. They're lying. If anyone who tells you that you can just day trade for a living and it's easy is lying. Absolutely lying, or just doesn't know enough, hasn't traded long enough to know the reality of it. Total BS. BTC.D just broke 105,000, but there's no time to watch that because Bitcoin USD is moving. Howdy 12, how you doing, man? Shorts getting obliterated. Obliterated. You do, but you want to take the daily 100x, dude. So you have spot, your portfolio is going up, yet you're still feeling like you should 100x the right here at the all-time high. Good luck. Maybe it'll work for you. I don't know. That sounds like a psychology problem. When you're winning, enjoy winning. Don't feel, you gotta fight that urge to like, I gotta be winning more. I gotta double down. I gotta triple down. The bull market is absolutely the most difficult trading that exists. Say it again. Absolutely the most difficult trading that exists. 90% of the time when Bitcoin is in a bull market, doing nothing is the right choice. Just no action. Sitting on your spot, building up your little campfire. Retested 75,831 on Coinbase. Binance at 75.6, creeping up. Because what will happen is you will chase things up and you will end up buying their tops. You'll watch them go down after you buy them. You'll get impatient because you were clearly impatient to make that trade. You've already established you're impatient. You'll get impatient. You'll jump into something else at its top and you'll just rinse, repeat that all the way to getting wrecked. At the end of the bull cycle, you might be up in dollars and you'll be like, I'm a genius. That's why everyone thinks they're a genius. But what they don't realize is had they done nothing at all, they would have been much more up. Seen it cycle in, cycle out every time. Casper crew in the house. What's up, Crypto Hub? Love Jason. Great dude, great content. Love Mr. Casper. We're vibing. Binance pushing all-time highs. 75,650. Waiting for Coinbase. Oh, Coinbase pushing all-time high. Let's go right now. 75.8. We called it. That wick got filled. Let's roll. New all-time high on Coinbase. It's real, boys. It's real. Don't change up your plans now. Don't take what was working and start doing different stuff. Don't start taking on more risk because things are going up. Stick to your plans, man. Ride it. If you ever don't know what to do while this market is melting faces, the answer is nothing. Just don't do anything. Don't make any choice. Plan out your moves ahead. Pick your take profits, take small profits, not all in, not all out. Pick your points, set the orders, walk away. That's it. Don't change the plan. The worst thing you could do is get absolutely wrecked right now before everything just gets crazy. And then you're really sitting out. Then you're forever sitting out of crypto. That's how perma bears are born, actually. Did you know that? Fun fact. Perma bears are born from people who get wrecked right before the bull market. Some of your favorite perma bears got wrecked right before the bull market. It's classic. Trade on funded accounts. You could. Funded accounts are interesting. I actually just talked with Crypto Breakout Prop. Trader Mang and CryptoFace are in on it. And the idea is interesting. It's interesting. It is just another form of leverage, pretty much. I guess maybe the benefit would be you kind of pay your loss up front, right? For the eval to get the account, you pay that loss up front. So no matter what happens, ooh, there we go. Don't even care. Not enough time. $76,000. Let's go. Coinbase breaking through its Wick high earlier. Binance at all-time high. What are the bears doing, man? Where are they? Where are they at? What's the top for Bitcoin dominance? I wish I knew, man. I would not be surprised to see it go as high as 70%. I think 60% is too low. Everyone is just waiting for it. That's Benjamin Cohen's fault. You can blame Benjamin Cohen for the extended bear market for alts. It's his fault. I love Benjamin Cohen. But when everyone's looking at something, it never happens. Never. Man, my voice is getting nuked. Bears are capitulated. I don't know. Bears, I promise you, they will come right back out of the woodwork as soon as there is like a red candle, as soon as there's like a red day or a red week. They'll be right back in full force. And know what they'll say? They'll say, I told you so. I told you so. Just like some bears that were saying down the entire last cycle, all the way into the bottom of the bear market. Now all the way back up are still saying, I told you so somehow today. I don't know. Anything I'd enter right now? Probably not. Probably not, Ant. I think this is just a wait and chill. I think you wait to see Bitcoin hit a high and start retracing. Start pulling back. Wait for like that red day. Then you can go looking. If you want to really be very I'll say risk minimizing, you wait till total crypto market cap breaks its all-time high at 3 trillion. I think that's like the safest time to like be able to pour money in. Is that a shirt or a robe or a smoking jacket? It's all of the above, my friend. And it's all I'm wearing. No, I'm just kidding. A lot of prop firms are scummy. Yeah, that's true. But like really a prop firm is what? Just like an exchange in a way. And there are some scummy exchanges, of course. Usually you can tell if something is scummy if they're their own market maker. If an exchange or a prop firm is their own market maker, they're probably going to be scummy. The answer why that is because they're winning when you lose. You don't want an exchange or a prop firm to be winning when you lose. It's not good. Buying Bitcoin's never a bad idea. I'll take that. I recommend you DCA. So people are like, where do I enter? So if I say buy Bitcoin, they'll just throw all their money in right now, right? And maybe that'll work out, but I doubt it. I doubt it'll work out. Not that price won't go up. I think it will. But it won't just go up. And if you're as kind of, I don't know, novice in investing as putting it all in right now, you're just going to sell it at a loss. Like Bitcoin will almost certainly trade lower than 75.5, right? We're at 75.8. It'll trade lower than 75.5. It'll probably trade lower than 73 at some point. It isn't going to be just up. We may get a really big move to the upside. We could see like 80 something thousand, and then we could just see a big wick, a big red day that brings us down into the 70s, gets bought up, and then we keep moving, right? But if you're as kind of impatient, where you had 4 years of buying, but now you want to buy because it's at an all-time high, you're probably just going to get chopped up. You're going to buy, you're going to sell when it goes down. You're going to buy the top, sell the bottom. Could work out, I don't know. If you don't have a position and you're feeling FOMO, I think you just start DCAing. And you unfortunately take the L of you didn't start earlier. I would assume this is your first cycle if that's the case. We all learn on our first cycle. We all learn the hard way, man. We all learn the same way, and it's the hard way. We learn through pain. We learn through losing. We don't learn through winning. Winning doesn't teach us anything. Winning like just shows us, doesn't matter what you do. Doesn't matter what you do, you won, right? When you lose, you have to think about it. You have to analyze it. You have to figure out what to do differently. Losing sucks, but it's unfortunately just part of the game. What's up? Toshiba. What's up, my friend? Tattoo subscribed. Weldon, Texas subscribed. What's up, bros? Mestre do YouTube. Pat Arch. Yeah, my throat's dying. $76,000 on the corn. Let's go. New all-time high. All the way up. All the way up. Let's put on, I'm going to put on the pump tune. You know what? I wore the robe and price didn't go down. Robe curse broken. It's broken. Start listening with Spotify. No, I don't want to start listening with Spotify. I just want to listen to it. I just want to click the button and listen to it. I gotta pee. Been live 2 hours, boys. Smash the likes for being live 2 hours. Smash subscribe for new all-time highs. Let's go. Join the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. I don't know how long we're going to keep going. We've already been live for a while. Viewership keeps climbing. We're at almost 1,600 on the mainstream. Those likes have been brought up. You got 150 on the vertical. Pretty good. That's fun. A little pumpy. I'm gonna pee quick. Don't go anywhere. Keep hyping it. Just gonna go to the bathroom quick. Just pee. 2 seconds.
You where you belong. No matter how many gods fall, there will always be another to stand against you. They will fall as well. The death of Olympus means the death of us all. Then prepare for your death, Poseidon. You challenge me, mortal. The god of Olympus. You have disrespected the gods for the last time, Kratos. You will leave nothing of you in my wake. A true warrior does not hide. Leave the sea and face me. Greatness of Olympus.
We're still here, baby. Oh, yeah. Little pump song, bringing on the red candles. Let's go. It's gonna get spooky. That I know. It's gonna get real spooky, boys. How high we going? As high can be. I'm gonna check in on Ethereum here while the corn taking a little pit stop. Are we even retracing yet? Probably not. A little bit. Checking in on the Ethereum. What's good over in Ethland? Probably not much. What else is running? We've looked at so much today. I'm leaving for Dubai at 6 in the morning. My plane leaves at 6 in the morning. It's going to be a hell of a night. Probably not going to sleep. That's okay. I got a 13-hour flight in business class. I'll be sleeping on the plane for the first time ever. Ethereum still dumping against the corn. It cannot catch bids, it seems. Nice candle for sure. Nice candle. Still got a lot of resistance, a lot of shizzle above you. No bull div on those lows. Deviating from the corn. Corn had a bull div there right before this rally. Yeah, man. That is not a great look. Like, this looks like it's going to break to the upside, but to me, it looks like it's going to break to the upside, move to like 3,300, and then maybe crap the bet again. Maybe stay in this pennant. Radium, let's go. $4. Oh, yeah. Heading back up. Dude, not a lot of resistance on Radium. It's like $8. It's wild. Sui flirting with all-time highs. Mantra chilling. Total. This is really where the attention should be. Total crypto market cap. Still below all-time high. Still below March's high. Kind of what that tells you is that the market hasn't shifted. The liquidity or the money in it hasn't really moved around. It's really just moved around. It hasn't increased. It's just moved around. And dominance shows us that it's moved to Bitcoin out of alts. But it's all like the same amount. It's all the same money. When total breaks all-time high, I think Bitcoin dominance starts falling. And I think alts see their juicy times. Their juicy times. 1,400 of the best people still here. Love the outfit. Thank you. This is the first time we've worn the robes in quite some time. And luckily, Bitcoin did not stop going up. So the curse of the robe, I believe, is over. We have outlasted the curse of the robe, baby. Bitcoin does seem to be settling down a little bit here. Not convinced that the daily high is in. I still think we are moving higher today. I'm not sure when that will be. PPPP. I know. 4 hour just closed, little indecision candle on that 4 hour. I'm not convinced that the high is in for today. I'm still looking for 77.1, maybe 78.2. Watching and waiting for this RSI to break the end of October's high, eliminate that bear div potential. We have everything on almost every time frame saying that it is possible, saying that maybe even more than possible, maybe it's coming, maybe coming soon. I wouldn't be surprised if this 5 minute ends up closing higher and we see a new all-time high. But guys, I've been live for over 2 hours. My voice is going. I'm leaving in just, I don't even know, 12 hours for Dubai. I'll be back the 11th. So I won't be able to stream from the stream room. Maybe we'll see what we can do. We'll see what we can do while I'm there. You guys should join the Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. You should sign up with any of the partners in the video description below, and you'll get into our exclusive trading group as, wow. In that Discord, it's our private trading group. You can get in there, just any partner, doesn't matter. There's more links in the Discord if you've already used all of those or already have accounts. Wow. I don't even know if I can leave, dude. I was like, I'm going to get up because this is probably chilling. I don't think it's chilling, man. I think there's higher highs coming today. 76K again, retesting that high. Literally, as I say it, boom, another new all-time high, 76,000 and change. Are you about to rip? Don't do this to me, Corn. Don't do this to me. Let's go. Go. Just do it. Just do it. I won't be that mad. I won't be that upset with you. Come on, push it. Push it to the limit. Past the point of no return. God bless you, Jingle Boy. 420, love that name. Let's go. Pushing the highs. Yep. Bitcoin's like, nah, dude, you ain't going nowhere. You're wearing the robe. Now you got to earn it. 15-minute again, dude. Again with the bottom wick into the last 5-minute candle. Flipping it green, painting the hammer. Oh, so beautiful. Beautiful. Are you ready to have your faces melted? I'm ready. I think I'm going to miss the big melt, though. I think I'll be like on the plane for it. Don't smoke in Dubai. I know. No. No smoking in Dubai. No breaking any of them rules. No, none of that. None of that. I'll be a good boy in Dubai. I can do that. I can do it. Damn. Doge is so god dang bullish, man. It is so bullish. Oh my gosh. I'm jealous. I wish my Litecoin was as bullish. It's just not. Yep, go to jail. Yep. 76.1 are in stream. 77.1 targets, 72.2 targets, or 78.2, 77.1. Looking pretty good. Looking very good. It's kind of what I have. Kind of what I'm looking for. I think that'd be nice and clean, nice and classic. Be a good way to climb. 77 inbound. Oh, yeah. All of the sevens. I think 80s are inbound. 𝐼Emergency, need to contact you. Yeah, bro. Not going to happen, cat AI 9. Not happening. I don't know what you're... I don't know what emergency you're having. I hope you're okay. I'll just do this. If you think I'm messaging you on any platform, it is not me. I will not DM you on any platform, not even on Discord. But there are dozens, if not hundreds, of fake scammer Tom Crown accounts that will. They're not me. I'll never DM you first. I'll never ask you for money. It's not me. That's the only emergency that I could imagine I can address for you, my friend. It's not me. Tom said you'd call him back. Yeah. Yeah, it's not me. Let's go. 76.160 still climbing. Stay away from the Russian working ladies in Dubai bubble bath. Will do. Will do. Probably shit his pants. Who shit his pants? You've been after your feet pics for months. All right. Well, only 2 mining bros. That's the only person. Nobody else. Oh man, stay safe, dudes. Dude, I'll never ask you for money. I'll never DM you, ask you how your trades are going. If you ever need to verify that, the answer is it's not me. But if you ever have to verify that, join the Discord. Join my Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown, no other one. And just at me, ask me. And I'll say, no, dude, of course that's not me. Music Sire, I know, we're wrapping it up. I did ask Gerand for nudes, though. That's another exception. Dudes, we're not done here. This pump ain't over. It's not over. Yeah, he probably did. It's not over. But unfortunately, this stream is going to have to be. If I keep going, I'm just going to lose my voice. Won't be able to speak in Dubai. It doesn't sound fun. Here's what I'll say, guys. Welcome back, bulls. Bears wrecked again. On this journey of crypto, the one thing has remained consistent. There will always be someone to say, haha, I told you Bitcoin was going to go down. And those people always end up being wrong, getting left out of the rally, getting wrecked. And they don't take that. That's not discouraging to them. They'll come back. As soon as we have a red day, they'll be back. Haha, I told you so, noobs. Well, good luck. Good luck, man. I'll be in Dubai tomorrow. If you're in Dubai, let me know. I'll be back the 11th, and we'll be streaming hard. Hopefully Bitcoin at higher highs here. Join our Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown. I love you guys. That is all for today. Bullish dreams, because the high is not in.